Hi, my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear under-seat storage compartment in your non-hybrid 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma. Remove the rear door sill by sliding your fingers underneath the panel and popping it up. Next, use a panel removal tool to press the buttons down and release the locks. Use the same panel tool to pry up the lock rivets. Using the panel removal tool, pry the panel towards the front of the Taco. Remove the panel. Now repeat the same steps on the driver's side. Again, using the panel removal tool, remove the lock rivets. Then use the panel removal tool to pry the center panel and remove from the truck. Place these lock rivets in a plastic bag to avoid confusion during installation. The next set of plastic rivets are removed by prying the lock upwards. Use the sharp end of a panel removal tool or screwdriver to force the center of the pin upwards. Again, place these locking pins in a separate bag to avoid confusion during the reinstallation process. Remove the Christmas tree rivets using a panel removal tool, then remove the panel as shown in the video. Now you can remove the storage compartment by simply lifting up and towards the front of the truck. Here's a quick view of the truck with the storage compartment removed. Make sure to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all the social medias, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio installation upgrade on your 2024 and up Tacoma, whether you have JBL, non-JBL, hybrid, or non-hybrid.